Smart home works best when it is really smart, like smart to install, smart to use, and smart to forget about because it's taking care of itself. And we got to see Mado, a new smart window shade company. And this is smart from top to bottom. The installation of this, they have thought of everything. It's very Apple-like, very kind of Ring, like if you've ever installed a Ring device or a Nest device. They've included everything. The first thing I want to show you is, well, we'll see the shades kind of on the window here. So we went to see them at their suite here at Vegas at CES 2026. So that's the shades. Notice how close they are to the edges, right, of the window. Well, here's part of the installation kit. This is another part. When you put the bar across, it measures for you. So it tells you exactly how much you need to cut. Speaking of cutting, they have this tool. So what's in the back there is a short version of the shade, right? So you take the shade and you put it in and you line it up where the little numbers show. And then Pete will do a demo for us. And you just apply pretty like gentle pressure down. It's so satisfying, by the way. I did this too. And then boom, it falls right off. And now your shades are perfectly cut. You're not getting shades back that somebody else cut for you at the wrong angle, or, you know, they had to cut too much and now you got light bleed or whatever. Everything, there's a screwdriver included in the kit. And then there's the app. And the app lets you control the shades up and down, of course. But you also get to set like where your house is and where the orientation, what is north. And then once you do that, it figures out when it should be raising and lowering the shades to maximize the sun and all of that. And speaking of the sun, these shades, solar powered. You can charge them with USB-C. And by the way, the charger is in the bottom of the shade. So you're not trying to like snake a cable up to the top to charge it. And if the battery does get to a point where it's very, very low, it will lower the shade all the way down and leave it there so that you have easy access to plug it in. But most of the time, you're not going to need to worry about that because it's going to charge every single day. And it gains, they said about 1% a day. And on a full charge, the battery would run the shades under normal operation for, I think, like 6 months. So the chances that you would need to charge it other than the initial charge up are pretty slim. And you can even have it do a find the sun mode where it'll like lower itself to get the solar panels in exactly the best spot to get the optimal charging. They've really thought of everything. They've got different colors and blackout shades and that sort of thing. So these were launched on Kickstarter last year. They are in production, ready to ship, or will be ready to ship by March of this year. And then as soon as they start shipping those, that's when they're going to be ready to sell them to the rest of us. The Kickstarter price was $279. I believe retail is going to be $399 for the small shade. There's 3 different sizes of shade, of course. And you're going to be able to cut them down, but there's kind of small, medium, and large, I think. $399, and there'll be some incentives, and of course, that sort of thing. But keep a lookout, late Q1, maybe early Q2, and it's Mado, Mado. Self-service sizing, really, and just so thoughtful. They went through all the pain with all the other smart shades and figured out what they didn't like and fixed it, made their own at a price point that's really competitive. I mean, it's lower than I would expect for something like this. So yeah, Mado, more stuff like this here at CES. We're here filtering through the noise and finding these gems so that you can enjoy that which is from CES. So thank you for watching. Thanks to our CES coverage sponsors for making all of this possible, without whom we certainly couldn't be here doing this. And stay subscribed and check out the CES 2026 Mac Geek Gab playlist for more, so that you can find all the other stuff that we found or learn about all the other stuff that we found. All right, stay subscribed. Don't get caught.